one thing when you're attempting a PG paper is most of them, almost all of them, have negative marking. So there is always a tendency to have a feeling that you know everything in the question paper, and hence you go ahead, attempt all 200 or 250, 300 questions there are. The problem with that is you'll accumulate a lot of negative marks. So what I would suggest is have an idea of the number of questions which are there in the paper and what is the negative marking like. What are your chances? Most entrance exams you'll have somebody getting around 75%, 70% correct. That'll be your 100 percentile, 70% correct. So you calculate around that so that you will be able to get at least 75 to 80%. And the remaining 20% you make sure you do not attempt so many. If there are questions which you have no clue of, do not attempt them. And make sure the number of questions you do not attempt, you have to calculate it beforehand, based on the number of questions there are. Probably you will have to leave out around 20 to 30 questions. You decide on the number of questions you're going to leave before the exam and make sure you leave those many questions. Okay, so that will help you a lot with controlling your negative marking.
Exams like JIPMER and AIIMS, they have particularly very lengthy questions. So you have to, you cannot spend a lot of time on these long questions. You have to go through it quickly. And most of these questions, शुरू का जो history and all होता है, does not matter to the answer. That last line वो पूछते हैं, that is the question. But then we cannot skip it. So you should not spend much time reading all that. Read through it once and then see what they are asking and then answer the question.
In our times, actually, we had 300 questions in All India, which is the same right now, but it is an online-based test. How you approach All India exam? My personal experience is you have to first go sack out all the questions which you know thoroughly. Read the options very, very, very carefully. Read the question every single line carefully, because there are times when you read half of the question and miss out the important option given there. So it's important that the questions must be solved in the first go. Like there may be around 100 to 120 questions which you are short of. Solve those in the first 1 hour. Maybe then the very next hour you can start solving the questions which you are a bit doubtful or which you are in 50-50 mode. And the most difficult ones are the ones which need to be tackled in the last hour. And it is very, very, very important that you mark as many questions as possible, not to leave many questions, because that is the one that is going to decide your rank in your exams.
300 questions in All India, they do not take much of the time, because All India questions are one-liners compared to AIIMS, PGI and JIPMER. They require more of time management because the questions are bigger, so you cannot set time for each question and answer. But if you cannot answer a question, it's better to move on to the next question rather than wasting your time on that question. And especially for PGI, because you cannot come back to a question. That is also there. So once you read a question, read all the options. If you feel it is right, go on marking and do not waste your time on that question. Because there are 250 questions, that means you are practically answering 1250 questions because of 5 options per question in 180 minutes. So you cannot spend more time for a question. If you know it, you know it. Otherwise, you just move on.
The psychology is that which option comes to you in your mind will always be correct in most of the time. So don't try to confuse with your options. Better not to. You're sure you attend, because of negative marks, don't attend. Otherwise, always the option that comes into your mind first will be the better.
Enjoy solving the questions. Time management is the most important. It's like almost all appearing will know almost all the questions. It's not that one person knows all the questions, the other doesn't know. Time management is the key in that final exam, especially the new upcoming question papers like JIPMER, where clinical scenarios are placed. You should know what part of the question you should focus on rather than the whole question wasting time.
I would just say, go ahead. Do not worry about anything. The first thing you'll need to leave out is worry about competing against so many people. All the best, and